Get my secret tool for filling a piping bag. You'll need a piping bag, a decorating tip, scissors, and a milkshake cup. If you don't have a milkshake cup, you can use a large mason jar, a vase, or a beer glass as well. Put the tip into the bag and estimate where you want to cut. Always aim for cutting the hole smaller at first rather than larger, as you can always make it larger but never smaller. You want the tip to fit snugly inside the bag with the smallest hole possible. If you have a larger hole, the tip can slip through as you're applying pressure when using the piping bag, and this is an absolute worst when you're mid-cupcake or mid-decoration. Cut the bag just past the opening of the decorating tip. Using your hand, put the piping bag into the milkshake cup and push all the way down. Fold over the excess bag at the top of the cup. Now you have 2 hands free to fill the bag with your frosting, batter, or whipped cream. This makes it incredibly easy to fill large piping bags with ease. Once the piping bag is full of frosting, batter, or whipped cream, remove it from the milkshake cup by pulling up on the excess bag on the sides. Twist to close it at the top. This twisting motion will also help you apply pressure when using the piping bag. I linked everything in the description, and I hope this helps you fill a piping bag with ease.